Building a website for your painting contractor business doesn't have to be complicated, and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your painting contractor business. Let's get started. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that free trial. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market to build a website. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, painter or painting contractor. There it is. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our painting contractor business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, multi-site will work its magic, do all the hard work, and creates a simple website for your painting contractor business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing transformations, the before and after photos of your client's work. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business, tell your customers how you got into this industry. They'd absolutely love to hear your story. To make any changes on the multi-sites platform, you don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with web development skills to help you with this. You literally can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally easy enough to manage from your smartphone. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, give multi-sites a few more details about my business, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box, show email and sites. There it is. It's now visible. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. Maybe you are a mobile business, but if you have a physical location, you can pop it in here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links. Put in the various social media platforms for your small business. Once you've put in social media links, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website, so your customers can give you a follow and get some engagement going. Now, underneath the next section, if you have a business logo, head on over here to upload it. To make any slight edits to it, you can click on that little pencil icon, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on that little paint icon, bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palette options available. There are so many options to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own small business, click on that update section button. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device, you could upload your own images or search through the photo library. We literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a business profile on Instagram, pull in all those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file with more details on your services. In the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form. You can keep track of all those leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom down below to connect it, go through the process. It's super straightforward. However, if you don't have a custom domain for your website yet or your business, you can actually purchase a custom domain via the multi-sites platform as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Click on that button as well. You'll have an option to purchase a custom domain via the multi-sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your painting contractor business on the multi-sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.